Imagine falling asleep and waking up fluent. Science-backed sleep learning secrets. Turn your bed into a classroom tonight. Arjun was a science student who believed in facts, not fantasies. He never trusted shortcuts, especially when it came to learning languages. But English had always been his weakness, and he knew it was holding him back from international opportunities. One evening, his friend Ayesha told him about a podcast. "It's based on real brain research," she said. "You play it while you sleep. It uses your brain's memory cycle to help you learn." Arjun was skeptical, but the word science-backed caught his attention. That night, he gave it a try. He set his phone beside his pillow and pressed play. A calm, clear voice began repeating English phrases slowly. "Where is the train station? I would like a cup of tea." As Arjun drifted into sleep, the voice blended into his dreams. He imagined walking through London, asking for help and understanding every answer. It felt real. He woke up curious. To test it, he opened a book of dialogues he had struggled with before, and to his surprise, he could read it more smoothly. Some phrases even felt familiar. He laughed in disbelief. Every night, Arjun repeated the routine, and every morning he noticed subtle changes: clearer pronunciation, faster understanding, more confidence. It wasn't magic, it was memory reinforcement happening in his sleep. After 3 weeks, he stood in front of his class and gave a small English presentation. He didn't freeze, he didn't panic. His classmates clapped, and his professor nodded with pride. Arjun finally believed it. His bed had become his classroom, and with the right method, he was waking up a little more fluent each day. Why study all day when you can learn all night? Master English in your sleep. Yes, it really works. Lena was a busy nurse who worked 12-hour shifts. She had always wanted to improve her English to speak with international patients better. But after long days on her feet, she was too tired to even open a book. One evening, while scrolling through social media during a short break, she saw an ad. "Why study all day when you can learn all night? Master English in your sleep." She rolled her eyes at first. Sounds fake, she thought. But the promise of learning without losing sleep intrigued her. She downloaded the app anyway. That night, she lay in bed and started the program. A calm voice whispered phrases. "Please sit down. Where does it hurt? Let me help you." They were exactly the words she needed for her job. She smiled and let the voice guide her into sleep. In her dreams, she was talking to patients from around the world. She comforted them with kind words in perfect English. She didn't feel nervous or embarrassed. The next morning, Lena was amazed. At work, she greeted an English-speaking patient confidently. "How can I help you today?" The patient's relieved smile warmed her heart. She kept doing it night after night. Soon, her colleagues noticed her improved communication. Her supervisor praised her for her compassion and skill. Lena realized it was more than just convenience, it was transformation. No more falling asleep over textbooks or giving up after work. Her nights had become her secret learning time. She recommended it to every busy nurse she knew. Yes, it really works. Learn all night while you rest. Let your dreams make you better. Your pillow is the new teacher. Learn English effortlessly as you dream. Sleep smarter, speak better. Sarah was too busy for classes, but she wanted to improve her English. One night she tried a sleep learning audio track. Soft phrases played as she drifted off. "Good evening, how can I help you?" She dreamed of traveling abroad, speaking easily with new friends. Each morning, the words felt more natural. At work, she greeted customers confidently in English. Her colleagues were amazed. She smiled, knowing her pillow was her secret teacher. Learning while she slept wasn't just easy, it was life-changing. Sarah slept smarter and woke up speaking better every day.